1. Stuffed sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beneficial nutrients like beta-carotene, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, one trusted source. Plus, they're delicious and pair well with just about anything. This makes them the perfect base on which to build a filling meal. At my house, we prepare stuffed sweet potatoes at least once a week. I roast a whole sweet potato, then stuff it with ingredients like sautéed veggies, beans, chicken, and cheese. This meal is super versatile, and you can choose from a variety of flavor combinations. You can try out one of the simple recipes below or wing it and simply pile your favorite ingredients onto a roasted sweet potato. 1. Chicken pesto stuffed sweet potatoes. 2. Taco stuffed sweet potatoes. 3. Vegetarian stuffed sweet potatoes. 4. Mediterranean baked sweet potatoes. 2. Grain bowls. Grain bowls are a hit in my kitchen. My husband and I love how simple and adaptable grain bowls are and frequently prepare this dinner when we're craving a flavorful yet easy to prepare meal. I follow a gluten-free diet, so we use gluten-free grains like quinoa and brown rice. However, you can use any grain you want for grain bowls, including farro, millet, and barley. Grains provide an important source of fiber and other nutrients like magnesium. Studies have found that diets rich in grains are linked to a lower risk of several health conditions, including colon cancer, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. To prepare a grain bowl, top a serving of cooked grains with cooked or raw veggies and a protein source like chicken, fried or hard-boiled eggs, grilled shrimp, or salmon. Then top it with a store-bought or homemade dressing, or keep it simple with a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. For example, this Green Goddess Buddha bowl uses an irresistible combination of brown rice, roasted broccoli, sugar snap peas, avocado, hard-boiled eggs, toasted pumpkin seeds, and a creamy yogurt-based sauce. Here are a few more grain bowl recipes that make a perfect dinner option for nights when you're short on time. 1. Thai chicken Buddha bowls. 2. Salmon grain bowls with lemon tahini sauce. 3. Sweet potato and chickpea Buddha bowl. Ready to level up healthy living? Go that extra mile and supplement the steps you're already taking with the latest news and popular tools in our twice-weekly Wellness Wire newsletter. 3. Veggie-loaded frittatas. When you have chickens like I do, eggs make their way into more than just breakfast meals. We regularly use eggs as the protein source for quick and tasty dinners, including frittatas. Eggs have you covered when it comes to healthy fat and protein, so all you need to do is add a variety of your favorite veggies to cover your fiber needs. Some of my favorite vegetables to use in frittatas include asparagus, spinach, sweet potatoes, zucchini, onions, broccoli florets, mushrooms, and tomatoes. You can also add in ingredients like cheese, herbs, spices, or pesto to give your frittata extra flavor. You can even use leftovers like salmon, shredded chicken, and potatoes in your frittata. I like to serve frittata with some sliced avocado or fresh fruit. It's a filling meal that you can enjoy at any time of the day or night. Frittatas are super simple to make, and you can whip them up in under an hour. Here are a few tasty and easy frittata recipes. 1. Spring vegetable frittata. 2. Cheesy chicken pepper broccoli frittata. 3. Wild mushroom frittata with cheddar, green onions, and peas. 4. Dinner salad. A large, filling salad is one of my go-to dinners, especially when I'm not feeling up to putting time into a meal. The problem with most salads is that they're not well composed, and you end up feeling hungry again just a short while after finishing your meal. The key to making a hearty dinner salad is making sure that you include plenty of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Start with a base of your favorite greens, such as spinach, mixed greens, arugula, kale, or romaine. Add a few more veggies, such as peppers, cucumbers, carrots, broccoli, or red onions, to your greens to bump up the fiber content. Then choose a protein source like grilled chicken, shrimp, salmon, or hard-boiled eggs. Adding a fiber-rich carb source, such as beans or roasted sweet potatoes, will bump the fullness factor even higher. Top your creation with roasted sunflower or pumpkin seeds for a crunchy texture, then drizzle it with a healthy dressing like olive oil and balsamic vinegar, or follow this recipe for homemade Green Goddess dressing. Here are a few more dinner salad ideas. 1. Chicken shawarma salad with tahini dressing. 2. Superfood salmon salad. 3. Crunchy Asian chopped salad. 5. Loaded brown rice pasta. Most everyone loves a good pasta dish, but most pasta dishes don't contain the necessary ingredients, such as protein and fiber, to keep you feeling satisfied. Fortunately, using a few simple tips can help you create a filling and nutritious pasta dinner in no time. First, choose your pasta. I am a big fan of tinkyata brown rice pasta, but you can use any pasta you like. You can also use zucchini noodles in place of pasta if you're following a lower-carb dietary pattern. Next, pick a source of protein. I like to use chicken breast or ground chicken, or, if I want plant-based protein, I will add chickpeas. Next, choose your veggies. I love a classic combo of spinach and broccoli, but almost any vegetable will work. Lastly, pick a sauce, such as pesto, marinara, or olive oil. Here are a few recipes to try out the next time you're craving a pasta dish.